Okay. Oh, okay. So Gibbon has been through all the three. Can you clap for him? Now, for this book, we want all of you to get through all this. But next year, we will talk about these. So, when for the first, for 2024 starting in January, we have to market for 9,000 students. So you can imagine the cream of the 9,000. What does it excites you? It excites you better than the number of workers 10,000 plus. But when you come down to the country market, then you come down and you find who came there, still the youngest, right? Now you are 25. Not for yourselves. Be born. And get the best of my I'm not saying that those 10,000 that in the first round, they are all good because it's fact that they showed up. The fact that they appear means a lot. Are we together? Are we together? Yeah. Okay. And so very comprehensive number that we are looking at, and we can see we watch this before or that represent Piano, Amo, and Iron. I know those names, you know those abbreviations, right? Okay. African Mathematics Olympiad, and African Mathematics Olympiad. Of course, we look at having payments in the mathematics, and anybody who has participated then have to pay a whole level for all that in. And I'm sure how many did for this year? Yeah, so we are looking at one. Yeah, this put your hands straight up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 14. We are looking at 14 clean A's here. All right? So 14 clean A's, what are you thinking? Yeah, 14 clean A's. And that is good. So, of course, as a teacher, we continue having teachers. I know where our teachers are. Yeah, and we'll participate in that. Some of the questions that were the contest that we did actually came from the teacher over here. They gave out some of the questions, even as we want to get with the University of Waterloo. We were able to get some questions from the teachers and the test. Also, for the best performing students, we have been able to see some of these students are doing very well. We have one of the students, I would say, Tony. Tony now is. We are hoping that from this book we also found some of you also getting those scholarships. Written for recommendations for several others. So it's good for you to actually and you also, those of you who are students, you also hope that you also mentor your other students to develop that they can do very well. And they can see mathematics is one of the very important disciplines in solving problems that around the world. Okay, so the line was already very cool previously. I think we just went through that. That was held at the University of Bath in the UK, and the next year it's going to be for Australia and Queensland. Second engine when we met with the Japanese team at the airport. Yeah. Okay, so we met with the chief from the University from Japan, the airport. Then we proceeded, you can see there. So the team that represented Kenya was Gilbert, Tony, Cynthia, Alfred, and Lane. Okay, so those are the ones who you can see like that. So the problems relevant. You can see that, and yes, we're fully based. Okay, I mean, we ourselves. We do agree ourselves. Yeah, everybody makes something before. So we hope that moving forward, we will be able to have, that is the day we will going to do. The day we are going to do the test, the first test. Yeah. So we would like to take right you. Let's come up.
So yes, it was a wonderful experience. Pharmacy in the United Kingdom. Really. International mathematical Olympiad. Yeah, what can I say? It was a very enjoyable trip to the Auckland in the 20 years. We were there to fly to UK and afterwards. It was a 2-week trip. The contest was on this. One to day on one day, then 4 5 6 on another day. For 4.5 hours, on day 2, I sat there having a soup. Day 1, nearly halfway. Yes. So, yes. Yeah, when you say, definitely, yeah, we were not any smarter than you are. Very sure somebody are different. So, yes, living proof that it's possible to make it to remote. So, everyone is being actually a very best comment. We represent it. I have no power.
So one of the objectives of having this is we want to value of the IMO department so that at least we get into the medal bracket. At IMO, we did not get a single medal, and we did not get even a mention, but Gilbert came close. So we are hoping that this coming year we will get medals, okay, at the IMO, or even mention. At the PAMO, we got silver, we got silver and bronze, and a mention. But we hope that this team here, Boya, Fernando, and the rest, we're going to work towards getting back where we get a mention. A mention is when you do You got a question which will be in total 8, 7. You get all the scores. Okay. How many questions were there? Yes. There's a student who got a perfect score. Perfect score meaning he got everything. 6 questions. He was from China. Okay. Can we have one who getting a perfect score? Can we?
Yeah.
Can we?
Yeah.
Sasa kama KCC mnapataka wote. Sasa hiyo ni nini? And by the way, KCC is very hard. Studio, like really hard. Okay? And I'm not as voting. Get all this. So I know 6 questions. All right? 42. He got 42. Perfect score. Okay? But we are saying we can get there. Okay? Because we have the ability, the capacity to do with us, and we have what it takes. Yeah. All right. Very good. So I just wanted to just last speech. That's the team. That's them doing the test. I think I shared this last time. With that is the way I give back to the work. All right. Okay, so you can see them now. You can be here, right? You will be here. This one, right? Okay. So yeah, there are a couple of old friends there. You will use the that's my friend. His name is Martin. Very good old friend for many years. So and so we had a formal contest back when it came back here in CEMASTEA. That was how few days? Yeah. After you left there. After you left for the boot camp again in August, we had a formal happening here. We was taking place here. We have this very study here. Those are the results. We have feedback, getting a silver medal. India, getting a bronze. This is very good. And I always ask this question. How many skills are there? It's a mathematical. Oh. I'm giving you 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. So, how many squares are there? Hands up. Yes. Okay. 330. Okay. How many squares are there? Yes, sir. 21. 26. 33. 30. Okay. 30. Yeah. Yeah. Okay. So how many squares do you think we have?
Exactly. Maybe some of us are not.
And he has not introduced. We have been doing by really can use themselves. Then they can come because he gave that to them. Yeah. It's yourself. Morning. We also say we need an animal or a car or a team. We also should have. Second guy is support man. Great. Man City. Thank you. Good morning. Okay, so give us how many together? Got. Yeah, that's sure. How many sure of the screen? You can use this. The point.
Then go to the 2 square, which is the for the first row and the 3. The 2 square to respect because this second row you can also take 3. The 2 square. Then we go to the 3 squares, which they are on all vertices, so there are 4 3 squares. That will be. Then we go to the last square, which is the whole square. So the 16 plus the 9 2 squares, then plus the 4 3 squares, then plus the 1 square. It's
But Professor Ian gets 31. Professor Ian gets 31. He always gets the 31st square. We don't know where. I put the kuangalia, but he gets 31. We don't know where he gets the 31st square from. I have tried in the process. Anyway, so thank you very much. I think that's basically it now. So we can, yes, continue. Yes, wait, but I'm not coming. Possibly, but it's something that you can think through. Yeah. All right, very good. So we have the program of the day. So I think that's the one. Well, you will pick it up. Yes, because as you know, it's starting. Okay. So now you tell us whether. Yeah. Okay. For this, looking potential, I don't know what that means. Whatever it means.
No me explico.
So yeah, so we were saying that it's saying unlocking potential. Unlocking potential is part of mathematical equation. What does that mean? You have the potential. You have the potential. Yeah. You have the potential. Do you think it's fully unlocked? Not yet, right? You still there's more that you can do. Karibu sana, Mr. Dunga. Karibu. Yes. Do you think you can do more than that? Can you do more than that? Kuna kakitu nasikia kama baki kidogo, sio? Yeah. That's what we say, unlocking potential part of the part. So we want to enhance the scheme in problem solving, and that skills necessary for line and counter competition. Skills more, right? Once our teachers are here with us, they'll be able to continue with the mentorship, guide the students, and broaden your horizon through awareness. When we started, I think some people were saying they don't know where I am going. You also said you don't know where I am already. 2025. Even when Gregory said that he associated himself with somebody who was Greece. Yeah, said Greece. Be aware of those areas. How much we are doing to happen. Right? soft skills like interaction skills, how you talk to your, how you communicate to your teacher, your peer, your senior, your junior, your parents. It's very important, right? Because you're social being. Then of course teamwork, because you need to work as a team. Okay? You need to work with the team. Of course, leadership, because you are also leaders in your own rights for the schools that you come. Right? Those of you who are in Form 4, next year will be the university. We want you to show those leadership skills. Those of you who are still in Form 2 and Form 3, you can cascade the same. When we talked about developing math culture in our schools, you're going to provide that leadership. So very important. So this workshop, we hope that we'll be able to, we were coming today, we were opening ceremony, but we might achieve that. And this time, so from 11, we get into our rooms and those problem solving. It's residential, unlike last time when we kinds of condition. Einstein. Okay? Yeah. So we will be doing that. We have problem solving at some point. We'll have, of course, the group discussions the first time around 9 p.m. This will be around 9 p.m. Then we have the breakfast. The 8 we get there's a room that we'll be using for problem solving. Our teachers with us. Allow them to say something. Nandua and Boya, they're expecting that one, and maybe Chief. Delta might be coming. Okay. So that's what, yeah. So the program runs, and then we will have an online session. Online session between 4 and 5:30. Have an online session in so then on Thursday, so we have another one. On Thursday, we have another one. It goes on Friday, we will do a contest, and then we will do the closing ceremony on Friday before lunch. Okay, that's how it runs. Okay. So thank you very much. That's what at this point I'd like to, because I know we are going for break at 10:30. We have 10:18, which we invite our teachers, our mentors will be here with us. Say one or two things, and the last person to say something. So, good morning. My name is Vincent and David. I am actually this to the first of my final year. So mathematics Olympiad has been one of my greatest approaches in my academic journey. I started training under Mr. Olympiad in 2015 when I was in third year. And actually, it made my grades improve from getting 8 A's out of 12 A's in my second and first year. I was able to get all A's in my fourth and third year due to the rigorous training of mathematical problems. As we do the rhythm opens our minds on how we think and how we tackle problems. So even I was very busy, but when Dr. Katege told me to come, I knew that Olympiad has always been my been a pasture as far as my academic year is concerned. So probably by the end of this session, we'll get to more parts of the problems. And probably, if I happen to use the pattern I take in my undergraduate, maybe this may be an opportunity also to take in because this program actually is of it. So we are happy that you said that you have vision here, so have enough time to interact. Related problems, those who will be training you, I will be part of them. Doesn't mean that we know more than we know. Actually, I like associating this story of trainers. The brain. You know, when someone is training a dog, and in this context, you are a dog trainers and dog trainers. Okay, disclaimer, not for parents. Yes, I'm just waiting. So, between the dog trainer and dog, who should learn faster than them? If the trainer, if someone is training a dog to catch a prey, do you expect the trainer to run faster or the dog to run faster? Yeah. Between the dog and the trainer. Yes, who should be having higher speed? The dog. Yeah, so that's what water activity is. So we are just here to facilitate, but a lot of work will be done by you. And feel free to share on what I know if you don't know, or what your neighbor knows, you probably don't know. So feel free to share knowledge, and we are sure that this year, after this training, the team that will present for Pamo, Yeno, and I know will get some awards. So Gilbert, you are our strength because at least we have seen you and still part of this team. So give us encouragement that actually where we are heading is sufficient. So feel free to share all those moments how the problems are be a great session. Thank you and have a great session.
All right. Okay. If it, this we can have Lloyd.
My name is Where. Yeah, not as a saying. As a mathematician, I would like to say that in many cases, we have the problem and we have to solve it. Sometimes we have an idea, keep on throwing left, right, throwing green, out there. Like I can say, all politicians are very happy. How do we prove that? How do you prove that? All politicians are crazy. That's statement is negative. If you want to prove that all politicians are crazy, we have to move from each and everyone so that they have it. But we can prove by contradiction. Just pick one. We just know the statements. So generally, in mathematics, I have faced a lot of challenges, especially getting to have the basics. If you have like a strong foundation, then you can handle it. So in our training, we will measure on the basics that will help you enter the problem solving. So as we move forward, we will interact around and share our experience. Thank you so much.
Morning.
Very happy to be here and begin as a student. I've been selected to be this camp, a very special privilege. I look back over the years that I've been dealing with this issue of the Olympiad, and I remember some of the instances where not necessarily the ones who are taught in class, but the specific way of thinking through it, and that set them apart. People who are able to unravel things which ordinarily do not look normal. So I want to congratulate you for making it to this particular team. I also want to tell you that you are in the team in Kenya that is known as the gifted in terms of mathematical talent. And that means that if you apply yourself in terms of this particular training, you should be able to make it easy. It just involves allowing yourself to venture and go deep into some of the things. As Boy and Nanja will be taking you through some of the issues, it's just like a swimming expedition where you may find that now you swim better than the one who taught you how to swim. That is why they're asking you between the dog and the dog trainer, who should learn first. So this is a great opportunity given to us. I really want to appreciate Martin and his team for bringing to us this particular facility. Other than that, I want to tell us as students that it's very important that even when you're very bright and very talented, that you keep being a person who is very humble and who is very agreeable. That usually adds on to your trait as a person. So I want to ask us that even as we go through all this, let's be humble, let's be friendly, let's be cooperating. Don't be puffed up because you're good in math. Sometimes I've seen students cry because they are very good, but when they are given an exam, they fail. And the failure was not because they are not good, but the failure sometimes is to remind us to be humble. Very many facilities have been available to us. Some of us, it might be the first time that we're doing that kind of facility. So let's respect them. And let's make sure that when we leave this place on Friday, that people will be proud that we came, we did our thing, and we showed that we can be trusted with every facility that we're given, and that we'll be great men and women of honor a few years' time. Martin and myself are soon going to exit. And you are the ones who will be in charge of this kind of events, making sure that we continue to support the children of Kenya so that we make it as a country. Look, for example, that data science is now the in thing, that know that there are a lot of people who now even rather not do medicine and some of the other topics just venture into data science. And I'm sure that you know some of them who are already making a lot of money in that area. And it is mainly a mathematical thing. But again, congratulations. I wish you a nice day as we interact with each other. We'll be here to support you. We'll be here to make sure that we have the very best. And when we do that exam, make sure that you make it to the Kenyan team. IMO next year is in Australia, and Pan African Maths Olympiad hopefully will be in Botswana. We're meeting just last week on Friday, where the Botswanans were finding out about all that is needed so that within this week we should be able to farm. So I hope that you'll be in that team. Team that will go to Australia. Australia is very many hours from here. The team that will go to Botswana. Without many remarks, we should be very best. Now, I didn't say my name, let me just remember my name. My name is Charles Oduga. The remarks on Olympiad since 2010, 2009 actually. Then I was a teacher at Lance Girls. But I've done 18 years. I'm a voice as a principal. I still do my thing in math. And it's still exciting.
The So we are now going to take a break. After the break, we will go to visits room on there. We'll come back here. Bring the material that we need. We can go to break. We're going to close this session there and report. Over here. Where our line or whatever, like this. Okay, please do that over here.